How to play Steam games without PC. Now, all you need to do is just be simply downloading Steam app through your Play Store. To do so, just go to your Play Store and just type in under search for Steam. Now, all you have to do is download and install Steam. This one right here. If you already downloaded Steam on your phone, you'll have to make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Now, once you have downloaded the app, it could take a while, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your internet speed. Just pull up the Steam app, and right here, you'll have to make sure that you're using one login. So you'll have to use your login credentials, the ones that you're using from your PC. You'll have to do it here. You'll have to use the same account. Now, if you already downloaded games from your PC, you'll be able to play it here. But if you haven't downloaded any games yet, then you'll need to download one first so that you can play on the specific game you want. So that's it. That's how you play Steam games on your phone without your PC.